Hello and welcome to another episode. Veronica here. I know the holiday season is upon us, and I know you are all gearing up to make your mark in the holiday business hustle. But here's the deal. We're not about the hard sell here. We're all about elevating your game and crafting that irresistible holiday offer that's practically gonna sell by itself. So grab your favorite drink, or if you're driving, please continue. Get cozy and let's map out the blueprint for a holiday offer that your audience won't be able to resist. Hey, I'm Veronica, and with more than 15 years being a marketing strategist, you're going to experience the new way to promote your business with clear and unique messaging by giving you actionable marketing and messaging strategies that get you interested leads to transform the lives of your audiences so that you build up your brand with continuous momentum. Get ready, because here's where we say no to outdated marketing strategies and society norms, and we say yes to change from the inside out. Welcome to the Branding Momentum Podcast. Okay, let's imagine you are scrolling through your favorite online store during the holidays. Now, what makes you stop and say, yes, I need that? I know it's not the flashy lights or the aggressive pop-ups. It's the offer that's actually speaking to you. And that's what we're aiming for today. A holiday offer that not only, stands out, but resonates with your audience on a personal level. The foundation to understanding your audience holiday needs is to think of your audience as your holiday companions. Like, what are their pain points during the season? Whether it is, stress gifting shopping, or they need, self-care in the midst of, all the holiday chaos, or the desire for a memorable experience. Your offer should be the solution. So let's say you're an image consultant, right? Your holiday offer could be a festive confident boost package, helping clients shine at holiday gatherings with, personalized styling tips and wardrobe consultations, tailor it to the needs and make it an experience, not just a service, right? Consider creating a holiday survey or engaging on social media to directly ask your audience about their holiday challenges. This not only, gathers valuable information, but also makes them feel heard and involved in the creation process. So when crafting the offer, there are 3 E's we should consider. And that is to be engaging, exclusive, and easy. Your offer needs to be engaging, exclusive, and easy in order to grab attention, right? Engaging in a way that, captures the attention. Exclusive to make them feel special, and easy to participate in without jumping through the hoops. So take a photography business, right? Craft an exclusive holiday mini session package with a festive backdrop, personalized ornaments and easy online booking. The engagement starts with a captivating description and a sneak peek at the setup of your social media. So the exclusivity part is emphasized by limited spots, and the ease comes from straightforward, booking process. For example, consider incorporating a countdown or a reveal strategy, and share teasers about your upcoming offer to build anticipation. Maybe give a behind the scenes look at the preparation, or drop some hints, about the exclusive elements that you're having within that offer. This is not only, engages your audience, but also builds the excitement leading up to the offer as you're going to launch it. Now, when we think about creating urgency, that is limited time bonuses and early bird specials, right? So urgency is your secret weapon. People are drawn to offers that have a sense of limited availability. So think about limited time bonuses or early bird specials that create a sense of urgency without, the hard sell, right? Let's say you're offering coaching services, right? Introduce an early bird holiday mindfulness package. Why not? The holidays is all about the mindfulness and also starting the year. And you can give out bonuses with a one-on-one sessions for those who sign up and before on a specific kind of date. And the urgency is very clear. Act now to secure the additional perks, right? The additional things that are within that mindfulness package, and consider, incorporating a countdown timer on your website or in your promotional emails or even on your Instagram stories. The visual elements adds a sense of ticking clock urgency. It's like, if you don't do it, you're not going to get it. And it's a subtle yet very effective way to encourage action without needing to do the hard sell, right? Now, your final approach is transparency and authenticity, the anti-hard sell approach. Now, let's talk about the magic touch here, transparency and authenticity, right? Be open about what your offer includes and try to be as genuine and as value driven as you can be. And if you're able to even share what's the kind of transformation that we'll be getting from that service, then it's even a plus. Okay. So build trust and loyalty without the need for the hard sell. Right? So imagine you are a virtual assistant, right? And let's present a stress-free holiday support package, right? Offering, admin help and email management and scheduling assistance during the chaotic holiday season. So you're going to be transparent about the task you can handle and the time commitment and how it will actually alleviate the stress to your potential clients. So authenticity is actually showcasing your dedication to making their holiday season smoother and making your offer even more compelling. And consider creating behind the scenes content about your virtual workspace during the holidays. And maybe you have it decorated or whatever, share those little snippets of how you can organize your task, discuss your strategies for managing multiple projects during, peak times, or even share some practical tips for effective virtual assistants. So what it does is that it actually humanizes your brand and adds a layer of authenticity that actually resonates with your audience, because this is actually something they're actually looking for. So you've heard me say all these examples. Take it into consideration. All these examples, even if I'm not mentioning your niche, please take them into account, because maybe they're valuable to you and you can apply them right now. So my savvy business owners, as you embark on crafting your holiday offer, remember this: make it the gift your audience can't resist. Address their holiday needs, make it engaging, exclusive, and easy, and create urgency with limited time bonuses. And above all, be transparent and authentic, because this holiday season, you need to let your offer speak volumes without the hard sell. Until next time, make your holiday offer shine brighter than the tinsel on your tree, and stay fabulous, stay festive, and let this holiday season be not just about selling, but creating an experience your audience will actually cherish. Okay, my dears, I'll see you same time, same place next week. Bye-bye.